Hi foodies, welcome to Millet Magic's episode number 2. In this episode, let's make super crispy and healthy Kambu Dosai alias Pearl Millet Dosai. Take half cup of Pearl Millet. Pearl Millet is a nutritious gluten-free grain that's rich in protein, fiber and micronutrients such as iron and magnesium. Also take half cup of idli rice and add it to the bowl. Also put in 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds into this and wash it thoroughly. After you wash it thoroughly, add water and keep it soaked for overnight or at least 5 hours. To another bowl, take 1/4 cup of split black urad dal. You can also use white lentils, but this is more richer in nutrients, so I'm using black lentils, and wash this thoroughly and let this soak as well for another 5 hours or overnight. After 5 hours of soaking these millets and lentils, let's grind this. I'm using my Panasonic mixer. I'm going to put in the black lentils together inside along with the soaked pearl millets as well, and then grind it into a smooth batter. You can also use grinder to grind in if you're making in bulk, but since I'm making in a very smaller quantity, I'm using my Panasonic mixer and it does the job very well. Grind the batter into nice pouring consistency like this. Add adequate salt and allow it to ferment overnight. In the morning, you can make this pearl millet dosa over your hot tawa by just pouring in a ladle of fermented batter and spreading it evenly all around. Drizzle in oil as much as you need and wait for the dosa to get roasted. Once it turns nicely golden underneath, just flip it off and cook for few seconds. Including pearl millet in your diet aids in digestion, controls blood sugar, supports weight loss and boosts immunity. Super crispy and healthy pearl millet dosa is ready to serve. So why wait? Include this millet magic in your diet and enjoy your meal. Meet you in another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.